this side. There we go. Tape off. First we got
So this says it's Thermochromic Pigment.
okay, next.
Zinc sulfide. This is just yellow coloring. Guar gum. Magnetite. Sodium tetraborate solution. More sodium tetraborate solution. Polyvinyl alcohol solution. And yeah, glue. Let's see what
Red coloring
does. Okay.
and blue coloring.
All right, now we'll have to see what we got to do. Oh, a pipette.
Oh, that's cool. We got some of these.
Looks like
Here's the
straws.
instructions. Let's see, guys, what we have to do.
You gonna come help?
Yeah.
Okay.
You might want to read this because this is like big.
Okay. So right now we have to make a guar gum solution. So it's a teaspoon of guar gum and 2 cups of warm water. Raylan's gonna go ahead and take the spoon and stir it, and I'm just gonna dump in little bits of the guar gum.
That's why we start.
So it said it'll clump up, so you guys just make sure you get the clumps out of it.
Oh, that's cool.
Is it getting thicker?
Yeah, let's get like water.
Yeah, make sure we keep the clumps out of it. Very cool.
Yeah. I'll put the whole thing in. Just so it's like keeps going. It says good, it does
Make sure
duplication.
you get the
I don't want to touch it.
okay.
Chunks. Right here. Get this stick.
How much money do you have?
Oh, it's getting thick.
Carson, how much money do you have? Carson, how much money do you have? Carson, how much money?
It's going.
So if it's really lumpy here, let me see if I can get the lumps out. Oh, that's kind of cool. Do you want to grab the camera and put it up close to the,
Oh, yeah.
just like film over top so they can see like what it looks like? Okay, I'm gonna try and get these lumps out.
Yeah, it's like chunks.
Yeah.
Carson, can I play?
Alright, so I think we have to put that stuff in the refrigerator is what I was saying.
It's like in thick kind of. See that? It's not like water.
Yeah.
It's like water, but it's like jelly kind of.
So it says pour 1/3 of it into a cup or glass. Remove the vial of blue pigment. Okay. So here's some fractions for you. We have to take 1/3 of this, and it's 2 cups. So that's multiplying fractions. I guess you guys haven't gotten to that yet, correct?
Yeah.
So if you're multiplying 2 cups by 1/3, it's 2/1. So 2 times 1 is 2, and then 1 times 3 is 3. So it's 2/3. So it's 2/3 of a cup. So
What
you're
are we
gonna take
putting
2.
in?
Well, that's a teaspoon. So we need 2/3 of a cup. So we'll pour 2/3 of a cup. We'll get. I think I have a 1/3 cup measuring. So we'll take 2 of those, and we'll stick it into a.
Well, I think
cup.
this is what it is, because they're measuring.
Yeah, that says to put the vial of blue thermochromic pigment in the refrigerator for 5 minutes. Then it says stir the Guar Gum Solution, which we have. Remove the vial from the refrigerator, make sure the lid is on tight. Shake the vial vigorously for 30 seconds to mix the thermochromic pigment. Carefully unscrew the lid to open the vial. Using the pipette, add about 10 drops of the pigment to the Guar Gum Solution, stir it in. If you haven't already done so, snip off the comer of the red food coloring packet, add 1 drop of red food coloring to the solution and stir it. Be careful, it's very concentrated. It should be a good solid purple color. If it's not, you can add a little bit more red food coloring and stir it in. Reseal the packet of food coloring with a piece of tape. Keep it in a Ziploc bag for later. Rinse out pipette with cold water to remove blue pigment. Okay. So, what we have to do, I guess it's probably been about 5 minutes. So, go ahead and grab the stuff.
It's like glue. See? It's cool too. Oh, and they got us some glue.
Okay. So we'll go ahead and pour the 2/3 cup into here. So 1/3 of a cup. And 2/3 of a cup. Okay. Oh, so, do we need to get a baggie?
And put that in a.
Yeah, you should be able to touch it, I would imagine. It's probably okay. It's gonna drip.
Gotta have a baggie.
And that will be, where's the cold one? Right here?
Yeah.
Okay, it says to shake this for 30 seconds. And pull that lid off. Just be careful not to spill it. Move it open. Here, do you want to shake this while I open that?
Yeah.
Oh, perfect, okay. we have to take our pipette. And you take it and you draw it up. Maybe actually just squeeze 10 drops in.
10?
Yeah. It's okay. You know, yeah, I was gonna say just let it drip. 2.
No, Bryson now.
Okay, and put that back on.
Can I mix it or?
Oh,
I'll put that.
yeah. Yeah, I did not grab a knife to open this up. So, okay, if you haven't already done so, add 1 drop. Oh, this says stir it in, so let's use our stirring stick and stir it in first.
So guys, we put 10 drops of
the Thermochromic Pigment in. Yeah. So that's then going to be what helps it change colors. All right, so now we're gonna stir it. You want me to?
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
You go ahead and stir it.
This?
Yeah, that's the stirring stick. So let me mix it in to make it blue.
Pretty. That is like a pretty, like a bluish purple.
Alright, then the next step it says to put this in to make it purple. It says 1 drops. It just says 1. Then you'll stir it up and see.
It's like really dark.
Okay, so then we'll mix it and see what color it gets.
Okay, let's mix it. That is really
It goes a long way.
Oh, we might have to put like more blue. That's not purple. It's just like pure pink. You want more blue or no?
Yeah, if you want to. Maybe add like 5 more drops and see if it gets it to purple color. Make them big drops. Okay.
Let's mix it.
Your mixture's in there.
Oh, I didn't see it. Okay, let's mix. Whoa. Not really.
I have to put a lot more in there.
Yeah.
Just squeeze it in there. I would just leave that out. No, I would keep going. I would squeeze more because you're going to have a lot to get it purple. I wouldn't put it away. I just, yeah. Maybe.
Ooh, maybe
it's getting there.
Yeah, maybe. The pink, the red might be taking it over. Yeah.
Might require most of the bottle. I would just dump it in.
See how it's like a branch?
Mm-hmm.
Well, that is cool.
Oh, that does look cool.
Trying to make it gray.
Oh, maybe purple. Here, I'll
Yeah,
just
it's like a few more drops. Yeah, do the whole thing.
There we go.
Gosh, it said do 10 and I don't know what they talk.
Well, it said with the pipette.
Oh,
So
yeah.
the pipette would have dropped bigger drops. I think that's about as good as it's going to get.
Yeah. Well, this blue, that looks like a pretty blue. And try would drop?
Well, I don't know if it'll change the ability of it to change colors.
Yeah. Well, this is one of those.
Yeah, I know, but I mean, because you're supposed to have the blue mixed with the red.
That's gonna get. That is a pretty color.
All right. So the next thing is to use the pipette to get some of this. So I'll have to get the scissors.
I know what to do. Hold on. Take the camera right here so I can see the cup. So I put the cup back. There we go. So guys, now you can see it. There,
Now
that's
it says
better.
to put 3 milliliters. So look at your thing. How much is 3 milliliters on there?
This?
Yep. That's a pipette. So stick the pipette in there. Yep. Put the pipette in the hole. Squeeze the top of it and that'll suck it in. Keep going until you get it up to 3. You got to squeeze the whole thing real hard. There you go. Okay. Now squeeze just a little bit in there till it's down to 3. Okay. Oh, that might be too much because you're bubbled. No, you don't have enough now. All right, go ahead. Squeeze some more up. Let me do it.
Oh, that
Almost there. Yeah, that's good. Okay. It says to add 3 mLs in there and see what happens. All right, stir it up.
Whoa! It's like a.
Yeah, watch what happens when you stir it. It's going to turn to slime. You should.
Whoa! That is cool.
Okay. Do you think we need some more? Okay.
This time I'll use the spoon. Where is the spoon?
Here, let's just use the... There you go. Yeah, I was going to say, I don't know if I want that stuff on the spoon. All right, go ahead.
Whoa! God, this is cool. It's like watery.
So you think we need to add more of this?
I don't know. Maybe. Maybe. Oh, it's getting together.
No, I don't want those doors. Let me show you what the most powerful doors. No, they aren't.
That is cool. Whoa.
Probably not the consistency you want to touch it, right?
Yeah.
Let's go look for a chest
There
then.
you go.
Let's try this. What to do? I mean, that's gooey.
Oh, we can definitely dump more of this in it. Keep stirring, I would say.
The hair's getting together. It's getting off the walls. Yeah, that is good.
Does it need to have a little more, you think? And pull it out?
I mean, yeah, I can pour it out
Oh, I was
on the
in
table.
here. Okay, try that.
Yeah, I think this is enough. Maybe too much.
Now what we'll have to do is get it cold outside and see if it changes colors.
Can I put it on the table?
Yeah, go ahead. Although I imagine, I don't know if it's going to need more because it looks really gooey.
Whoa! That is cool.
So it does look kind of different colors throughout.
It's like turning purple. See that on the edges?
Yeah.
Oh,
Why don't you take it outside? Do you
Yeah.
want some more of this in it to firm it up more? To make it less like...
Because it looks like.
Because I would imagine it probably
Gooey.
needs most of this.
I'll show you which doors I have.
I just don't want to
Rub it
get
in.
this wet.
That's okay.
Mm.
Oh, you got plastic in there? Yeah, is it turning purple over there? Maybe we didn't need more than the 10 drops. That's kind of cool. It's color changing.
Yeah. Well, it's really doing it now.
Well, maybe it turns more purple in the cold.
Yeah, let's go do it in the sun or something or cold.
Or do you want to stick it in a baggie?
Yeah.
Because it's pretty gooey. I'll go get a baggie
Oh,
here.
here's one right here.
Oh, okay, perfect. That is awesome. Look at the different colors on the
Oh,
sides.
here, can you open it my hand?
Yeah. Can you hold that? Do you want to wash that stuff off your hands just in case? Yeah, you can stick that down there. I'm sure it's fine. Okay. Then you
You
can
want to do
carry this.
another one or no?
Maybe not at this very moment.
Yeah.
Can save some for later.
Yeah.
When you find a good magnet, we can do the magnetic one.
Yeah. Well, I got a
Oh,
lot
look.
of magnets.
Look at that.
Oh. Oh.
That's cool.
Yeah. See?
Cool.
Oh.
So it turns really purple in the cold and maybe more red whenever it's warm. Look at your hands. Oh, yeah, I was
Mine's
going to
really
say just
purpley.
rinse it. That's cool. Now it's really
Yeah.
purple. Look at this one.
Oh my god. Oh. Really dark.
All right,
That's
cool.
cool.
All right, let's rinse that off your hands.
Here, I'll clean this up.
That's pretty cool that it changes colors.